This AI agent takes 20 minutes to set up, costs $1 a month in tokens, and it can decrease your response time to your highest quality leads from 1 to 2 days to 5 minutes max. So if you are a creator who's tired of spending your days in the inbox trying to extract few good leads in the sea of promotions, spam, and cold outreaches, this is something you should definitely have. I will show a quick demo in a minute, but before that, I want to give you a high-level overview how the system works. So once it's connected, your email is being monitored for incoming mail. First, we sort auto-generated mail because we don't need to respond to those and we don't want to spend any AI credits on that. So we mark those as ignored and skip. If on the other hand it's an actual email, we pass it to AI, extract intent, give it a score, and draft a reply based on the intent, score, and also the context about us that we give to AI. Once all of that is done, we log everything to Sheets for reflection, analysis, and learning. And if it's a high quality lead, we send a Slack message immediately letting you know that there's someone you might want to act on immediately. So not only it saves you a bunch of time, it also increases your conversion rate because you are so much faster to respond to the best leads. You don't see any of that daily. It's not something you manage. All you see is your inbox and your Slack or another communication and notification app that you use. So I send an email and let it arrive on my inbox. Once it's there, automation will kick in a minute or so, and it will do the things I described earlier. Here is the Excel sheet where everything is logged. Every email it processes is entered here so that later we can improve the system and analyze our business, the incoming leads, and lots of other things. Even errors are logged if some service is unreachable or some credentials expire and need your attention. Everything is logged here together with an error message on your Slack channel so that nothing fails silently, and over time you can improve the robustness of the system by analyzing the errors that occur the most. Once the automation is done, you would just see a new draft being appended to the email. So once you reach it, it's already there. And you also have a new notification on your Slack channel letting you know that there's someone you might want to respond to immediately. It explains the intent and the reason for scoring that high, and also a snippet of the draft that was generated. So nothing goes out automatically, not because the system is bad, but for client-facing communications, it's still better to have a human in the loop, both to make sure it doesn't make mistakes and to add your own human voice and touch to the messages to confirm that it's signaling the right things about your brand. And once it's all good, you just click send and that's it. To get all of this running, all you would need to do is to get the template that I attached below, import it to your n8n, update a couple credentials, and you have it running in 20 minutes. Let me know in the comments if it's something you would consider implementing into your own business. I would love to hear if it's something you actually did and got benefit from. Thanks for watching.